Listen, you're not there again. And by the way, what do you mean when you say she caused it?
She and her big mouth. She chat too much. And she bought Kamisha drone. And Kamisha said, Mommy, I was just under the water. Nothing was happening.
Oh. Yeah. I don't want you to worry about that. Just focus on getting better.
I'm stressing out. I can't better. I can't go work. 5 days alone.
My advice is,
And
no sit down to her
doctor
yet.
say,
Can you not have stress her out if she can't do about it?
Forget better. So, what am I going to do?
Come here. Listen to me. You just need to worry about you getting better. You can't go work in this state. Right? You deal with it.
Deal with what you want.
Everything.
My money, me a defend.
Come here. Oh, you have a defend money in other situation. Yeah? You can't hardly walk.
Give me a walking stick.
Listen, I'm about with a joke thing right now. You're not going to work. You get sick leave, and if you have a car, go get the people them.
5 days now.
The people them give 3 weeks sick leave.
I may get paid for 5 days.
Come in, I tell you about your stubbornness. Just listen to me now. I take control of this. You're dead for me. So I'm there for you now. Okay?
Okay, babe. I mean, Trevor.
Yo, that sounding good enough. Say it again.
That you are here. Stop pushing, man.
You love play hardball, you know. I noticed that with you.
I'm a hardball. I have to protect myself. Trevor, I don't know where your headspace there, you know. I have to go and pray you.
What do you mean you don't know where my headspace there? Look at all of what I do. Eh? I keep that place here on par. Carlton all of me know say him like how me I do things. You know? And worse. And you're there by my side.
You do a good job down here. I really like what you do. But your business life, different from your personal life. And Trevor, this so, I have the problem.
Better be a fool if you not say you're the right woman for me. May I tell you, this is since that nice situation you come about. You see, say it have your way. So right now, I just want to do it for you. You understand? Look on it the way. If nice never come in the picture, you wouldn't see the true value of you. You understand?
Not sweet and all that with it. Come fix that pillow and that one.
That better?
I want to talk to you about something.
Look at that now.
I want to talk to you about Kamisha. What if me tell you some plan to send Kamisha girl grandma?
Come here. You don't know, sir, from your mother reaching at the picture. It a go rough for me. Your mother don't like me. I mean, I just drive go down there so just for just a glimpse of my daughter.
You go calm down and let me explain why I make the suggestion.
Alright. I'm calm.
Trevor, the reason I said this, you normally work 5:30 and Kamisha school during 2:30. So, do the maths. Me not reach home till 7 o'clock. She dey home by herself. That not safe.
So why you not make she come here come stay with me?
Are you here all day, every day?
No, but the workers them there.
Workers, Trevor, workers. That means that them a work. Them can't watch her. Listen, she 11 now. Hormones are kick and all of that. So she need protection 24/7. If you don't realize, she watch things when she not supposed to watch. Who go look on that? We have to know where she go, who she talk to, what she do. And her grandma can do all of that. So think about it, Trevor. Come out of your ego and think.
Come in. I understand what you say. But remember somebody did out her life for a little while. I mean, I really want that to happen again.
Trevor, I get what you say. But remember, we still have weekends, holidays, special occasions. And then the amount of time we spend and the quality time we spend.
Come here. May I ask you something? What is the situation between you and Dave now?
Well, after being down here so long, I don't think there's a me and Dave anymore.
Come here. You telling me this right now. You know what I think? To keep commission line. She need a little brother. She can take care of. Show him no distraction.
So what that mean?
Far beyond the limits, every day, finding our soul. Anyway, it feels like coming home. Coming home, coming home. Coming home, coming home. It feels like coming home. Far away, far beyond the limits.